Hey guys, in this video we will see how to rename a particular table, right? Now we have a test ABC database and there is a table called EMP, but there are various columns which suggest that this is regarding the course, enrollment number, name, city, salary or IMG. It is a kind of a mix-up. Let me just rename this table EMP, right? So what we will do is just put a keyword called rename, just put the database name dot table name to, let's say we can say employee, rename the table, rename table database name dot table name to a new table name. Let me run this and let me refresh over here. Now we have a table under test ABC named employee and the same columns are there. So now first we learned how to rename a table. Second, what we will see, how to drop a table, right? So drop table test ABC dot employee, because now we have a table name employee, we don't have a table name EMP, right? So that's why we will drop this table named test ABC dot employee. Now we don't need to refresh here. There are no tables here. If you see, there are no tables existing, right? Let's say there is another database, test organization DB, and there is a table named EMP I have. This is a totally new database, test organization DB. Whatever we performed till now, we have performed at test ABC database. But now let's see, we can work somewhere on test organization DB. What I want to do, I want to alter multiple things on a single table in a single this table. So alter table name. This is my table name. Okay, I want to do multiple alterations in the table. Let's say I want to first change the name of this table to employee. Then I want to add a column. Let's say I want to add city. To add city, let's say char 30. This is the data type. I want to change the SAL to salary with big int. Okay, I have done three things in this. First of all, table alteration rename from emp to employee. Then I want to add a column named city with char 30. 30 is the length, char is the data type, and change the name of the attribute which was sal, now it is salary. And I want to change the data type also. Initially it is int, now it is big int. Multiple alteration, multiple commands in one alter command, right? So let me run this. Okay, we have done that. Now if I run this command, it will give me error. Why? Because emp table does not exist. So it is saying emp table does not exist. You are checking it out over here, emp table does not exist. Now let me change the name of the table, employee. Now you can have your query. Yes, there is a result and it executed successfully. So ID, now salary is having big end. There is a column named city which is of char 30, and the table name have changed. If you refresh over here, just check it out. Now we have a table name employee, which these columns, right? So these are the basic things we want to take up in this video. Thank you.